Friends and viewer, good day. Henry James, the author of Ambassador and the portrait of a young lady. Now I'm discussing one of his another novel, The Wings of the Dove. The name of this novel is The Wings of the Dove by Henry James, the brother of famous William James. So, Wings of the Dove start like there is a character, Kate Croy and Merton Dinshire are secretly engaged to be married. They would love to wed quickly, but they are always encumbered by financial woes. And Kate is also knee deep in problem within her family. She lives with her aunt who is somewhat of a bully. Aunt Maud's friend, Mrs. Stringham, is companion of an American. Here is Millie Thiel, who has arrived in London filled with enthusiasm for social life. Millie finds Kate to be a far more enjoyable companion than Mrs. Stringham. She takes Kate with her when she visits Sir Luke Street, one of the London's finest physicians. Millie's constant worry is that she has an incurable disease, and although Sir Luke does not confirm her fears, he does not deny them either. Millie and Kate become convinced that Millie is terminally ill. Merton returned to London from his trip to America, astonished to find the heiress with whom he had enjoyed a romantic dalliance now residing in the house with his betrothed. Kate decides that Martin should pay Millie a lot of attention, which confuses him, but he is relieved that Millie has not disclosed their closeness. Millie decides to go to Venus and Mrs. Stringham, and shortly after she departs, Aunt Maud, Kate, and Merton follow them. Millie has a palazzo in Venus, and it is a place where she has been extraordinarily happy. She throws a party, and it is during the party that Kate reveals to Merton that she has a plan that will cure their money woes and enable them to get married. She thinks that Merton and Millie should marry, so that when Millie dies, he will inherit her considerable wealth. Merton had already become suspicious, and he tells her that he will only go along with the plan if she agrees to sleep with him first. Merton remains in Venus with Millie and Mrs. Stringham, while Kate and Aunt Maud return to London, but Millie soon learns of their plan and will not have anything to do with Merton at all. He returns to London, but on arriving learns that Millie has died. Millie had genuinely fallen in love with Merton during his trip to America, and surprisingly leaves him in a large chunk of her wealth in her will. But he feels remorseful and refuses to accept it. He also informed Kate that he will only agree to marry her if she turns down the money as well. On the other hand, if she wants to accept the money, he will sign it over to her, but they will never be together again. So this is the story of the Wings of the Dove by Henry James. So this novel had many themes like duplicity. One of the key themes of the novel is duplicity and the way in which people take advantage of the suffering of others in order to gain something for themselves. The most duplicitous character in the novel is Kate, who seems to thrive on keeping secret and devising plot. She meets Millie and realizes that Millie is deathly ill. She also realizes that it will not be long until her death and that Millie will leave behind a substantial fortune. Kate plans that Merton will court Millie and marry her after a whirlwind romance. Shortly inheriting Millie's vast wealth after her imminent death, Kate also remembered to be careful about the information she shares with Millie, keeping her engagement to Merton secret. The unbeatable nature of tuberculosis. At the start of 20th century, tuberculosis was one of the most deadly disease and it did not respect socioeconomic boundaries. Unlike many diseases of the day, even a woman with Millie's means was powerless to beat the disease despite having access to the best physician in the world. The other theme is love. One of the novel's main theme is love, and it is shown to be very complex concept. We learn at the start of the story that Kate and Merton are betrothed and they are anxious to get married, which indicates that they are much in love. However, Merton develops a strong relationship with Millie while both are in America, and Millie falls in love with him. Although she never admits this to anyone, Merton believes that he loves Kate, but he also has genuine feeling for Millie, which is why he feels tremendously guilty after her death, which he feels was hastened by his betrayal of her love. Kate believes she has done everything because of her love for Merton. So, human motivation is another theme involved in this novel. James uses the novel to show the many different ways in which people react to the troubles of others. Although everyone relies around Millie and seems to around Millie and seems to be doing everything in her best interest, their motivation for doing so are completely different. For example, Kate provides much needed friendship to Millie, but it is not a genuine friendship because Kate sees Millie's illness as an opportunity to set herself up financially with or without Merton by her side. Merton goes along with the plan for a while, but it is clear that he is conflicted internally. Sorry. The remorse at the end of the novel, it appears Merton is feeling a sense of remorse. He believes that Millie's death has hastened by betrayal of her. She had loved him genuinely, and finding out that this love for her was less than genuine sends her health into a decline. She seems to give up the will to live. Merton feels responsible for this. Because of this remorse, he refuses to accept the money. She leaves him and also demand the same from Kate as a condition of marriage. So this is the theme of this novel, The Wings of the Dove, and we have many characters involved. Kate Croy. Kate Croy lives with her Aunt Maud after her mother's death. Millie Thiel is an American rich young woman who is a lone survivor in her family. She's a woman with a fragile body and always gets sick. Merton Densher. Merton Densher is a young journalist from humble background. He loves a girl of a higher status and wants to marry her. Susan Stringham is a middle-aged woman. She was living with her mother after her husband's death. After her mother's death, she spends her time with Millie. Mrs. Maud Lauder. Mrs. Maud Lauder is a lady of higher status who likes to meddle in others' business. She showcases herself as a mean old lady in the entire novel. So, Lord Mark Millie's, after meeting her at Mrs. Maud's place, he acts as a gentleman and tries to woo her, but his hopes die soon because Millie loves Merton. These are the characters, ladies and gentlemen, involved in this novel, The Dove, The Wings of the Dove by Henry James. Thank you very much.